The Justice Department has a rule book for how to handle political pressure. It reads, the legal judgments of the Department of Justice must be impartial and insulated from political influence. Its investigatory and prosecutorial powers must be exercised free from partisan consideration. That's the rule insulating DOJ casework from a president's wishes. The idea can seem abstract, but Saturday gave us two concrete examples. MSNBC reported that in 2024, the FBI investigated border czar Tom Homan over a $50,000 bribe. The Trump DOJ later declined to charge for lack of evidence. On Saturday, President Trump publicly urged Attorney General Pam Bondi to prosecute his political enemies, former FBI Director James Comey, Senator Adam Schiff, and New York Attorney General Letitia James. If DOJ follows its own manual, the restraint applied to Homan when the elements were not met would also govern any inquiry into the president's opponents. And the scrutiny of the president's opponents would have been used in the Homan case. Same triggers to open a case, same test to charge or decline, same treatment, friend or foe. But that is not the standard the president is applying to his political foes. We don't know what evidence he's citing, but by pressing DOJ about specific prosecutions, the president crosses the manual's free from partisan consideration rule. A defense attorney could argue that any such case rests on presidential anger, not evidence, citing public posts and the president's statement Sunday that he, quote, hates his opponents. Maybe the president just wants to make life tough for those he targets, but even nuisance pressure exacts a cost. Honest litigators quit DOJ rather than break its rules. Energy is drained from investigating actual crimes. And cases blow up when judges call foul. Trust in courts and government sits near modern lows. Jurors come from that public. If citizens see prosecutions as driven by the ruler's will, convictions will look like vendettas. The cure is making adherence to neutral rules as public and unmistakable as the president's own posts.